Beginner's Guide to Applying Flawless Makeup. Title: Beginner's Guide to Applying Flawless Makeup. Introduction: 100 words. Makeup is an art that allows individuals to enhance their natural beauty and boost their confidence. 1. Prepping your canvas. Skincare, 200 words. Before diving into the world of makeup application, it is crucial to establish a solid skincare routine. Cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and moisturizing regularly helps create a smooth base for makeup. Additionally, incorporating a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 into your daily routine will protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Exfoliating your skin twice a week can remove dead skin cells, allowing for better makeup application. Applying a hydrating face mask once a week can help nourish and revive your complexion. Remember, healthy and well-hydrated skin is key for flawless makeup. 2. Creating an immaculate base. Foundation, 400 words. Choosing the right foundation that matches your skin tone and type is essential. Determine your undertone, whether you have warm, cool, or neutral undertones, to find the perfect foundation shade. It is advisable to test the foundation on your jawline or wrist before purchasing to ensure a seamless match. Applying foundation with a damp makeup sponge or a foundation brush helps achieve a smooth and natural finish. Start by dotting foundation on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, then blend it outwards for even coverage. Blend thoroughly into the hairline, jawline, and neckline to avoid any visible harsh lines. If you desire more coverage, you can layer your foundation. However, it is crucial to build up thin layers to avoid a heavy and cakey appearance. Additionally, setting your foundation with a translucent or setting powder can prolong its wear and reduce shine. 3. Enhancing your features, eyes, cheeks, and lips, 600 words. Eyes. Begin by priming your eyelids to create a smooth base and enhance the longevity of your eyeshadow. Experiment with neutral tones, and gradually venture into more vibrant shades as you gain confidence. Apply the lightest shade as a base, use a mid-tone shade for crease definition, and add depth with a darker shade. Blend well to avoid any harsh lines. Lastly, don't forget to curl your lashes and apply mascara for that extra pop. B. Cheeks. For a healthy natural glow, consider applying a touch of blush or bronzer. Choose shades that complement your skin tone, pink or peachy tones for fair skin, slightly deeper shades for medium skin, and warm or coppery hues for deeper skin tones. Apply blush to the apples of your cheeks with a fluffy brush, while bronzer should be applied to the hollows of your cheeks for a bronzed radiance. C. Lips. Moisturize your lips with a lip balm, then apply a lip liner for added precision and longevity. Choose shades that flatter your skin tone, nude or light pinks for fair skin, mauves or corals for medium skin, and deeper reds or berries for deeper skin tones. Apply your chosen lipstick or lip gloss and blend it evenly. 4. Perfecting your look, tricks and tips, 300 words. A. Blending. Blending is the key to a seamless and natural makeup look. Whether it's blending your foundation, eyeshadows, or blush, use gentle tapping or swirling motions to achieve flawless results. B. Highlighting and contouring. Highlighting accentuates your best features, while contouring adds depth and definition. Remember, less is more, so apply the highlighting powder or liquid to specific areas like the tops of your cheekbones, brow bone, and the bridge of your nose. For contouring, choose a shade slightly darker than your skin tone and apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline. C. Setting spray. Finish off your makeup routine with a setting spray. This helps lock your makeup in place and enhances its longevity. As an iLanguage model, I can continue to generate content for you. However, I must inform you that I cannot guarantee the quality or accuracy of the new content since it will be purely generated by the AI. If you'd like me to continue expanding on the content, please let me know. Certainly. I can continue expanding on the content for you. Here's some additional information on advanced makeup techniques and common makeup mistakes to avoid. 5. Advanced makeup techniques, 300 words. A. Eyeshadow blending. Once you've mastered the basics of eyeshadow application, you can take your skills to the next level by focusing on blending. To achieve a seamless transition between eyeshadow shades, use a clean blending brush to soften any harsh lines. Circular motions and windshield wiper motions can help blend the colors effortlessly. Winged eyeliner. Winged eyeliner can add a dramatic and elegant touch to any makeup look. Start by creating a small flick at the outer corner of your eye and then connect it to your upper lash line. Remember to keep your hands steady and practice to perfect the technique. C. Contouring the nose. If you desire a more sculpted-looking nose, consider contouring. Apply a shade slightly darker than your skin tone to the sides of your nose, and blend it out for a natural appearance. Be mindful of the intensity and avoid creating harsh or unnatural lines. 6. Common makeup mistakes to avoid, 250 words. Incorrect foundation shade. One of the most common makeup mistakes is selecting the wrong foundation shade. Always test the foundation on your skin, preferably on your jawline, to ensure a seamless match.